What's up guys, Josh here of Yugatech, and the option to send money or pay bills online has been around for quite a while now. It's convenient and easy to do. And given the current situation, we can now see how these online methods can help prevent the spread of COVID-19. As of April 7, 2020, there are more than 1 million confirmed cases worldwide, with more than 3,000 of those cases here in the Philippines. With that being said, now is the time to take advantage of those online payment or fund transfer options since we can only leave our homes when necessary. And one of the most popular platforms to do this is through GCash. As the name suggests, it allows you to send funds from your GCash account. There are two available options. The first is Express Send. This allows you to quickly send money from one GCash user to another GCash user for free. To access the Express Send feature, just open your GCash app, then tap on Send Money. After that, all that's left to do is enter the mobile number of the registered GCash user and the amount, then hit Send. The second is Send to Bank. This allows you to send money from your GCash account to your bank account, so there is no need to leave the safety of your home as you can do it straight from the GCash app on your smartphone. GCash is also a member of BSP's InstaPay network, which means you can transfer peso funds almost instantly between accounts of participating BSP supervised banks and non-bank e-money issuers in the Philippines. Just open your GCash app, tap on Send Money, then tap on Send to Bank. Alternatively, you can open your GCash app, then tap on Bank Transfer. GCash also has a Pay Bills feature. As the name suggests, you can now pay your bills like Meralco, Manila Water, Maynilad, your phone bills, and credit cards using the funds on your GCash account. Like the Send Money feature, you don't need to leave your home and wait in line, which lessens your exposure to the virus. All you need to do is open the GCash app, then tap on Pay Bills. From there, you can select the biller and make your payment. A receipt will be provided after every transaction. And for prepaid users, you can even buy load for yourself or your friends and family if they're having trouble getting to the loading station. Simply tap on Buy Load, hit Next, and you are given an option to either buy regular load or choose from their list of promos so you can always stay connected and be in the loop. I've been using GCash for more than 2 years now, and it has been my go-to platform for sending funds and paying bills because of its ease of use and doesn't charge any fees. It became more useful when the quarantine was implemented as I was able to pay our bills as well as easily send funds to family members or online sellers of essential products. You can even use it to donate to organizations that are fighting COVID-19. So if you don't have a GCash account yet, you can go ahead and download it for your smartphone. It's free and is available in the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. If this video has been helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and don't forget to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, and stay safe.